On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a Beyblade burst, Avatar attack battle set. Guys, it's Squeak Kid for tonight, and we're gonna unbox this for our first day of Christmas. Let's go. Okay, so I know the set is pretty old, because it's almost 2020 now, and this is normal Beyblade burst. But, as you can see, it comes with Kaiser Kerbeus, or King Kerbeus, and Victory Valkyrie. I'll show you the stats. There's Kerbeus, 0 attack, 2 burst, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 defense, 6 weight, 3 agility, 1 stamina. And we've got Valkyrie, 6 attack, 4 burst, 1 defense, 2 weight, and 8 agility. And it comes with a large oval stadium. And the cool thing about this stadium is that there are these little knob things on the side. So like the sword for Valkyrie, yeah, there's one there. And then you hit the opponent Beyblade with it, because you can press this button and then the sword will come crashing down on the Beyblade. Same with Kerbeus, except it's got a claw instead of a sword. Alright, so let's open this puppy up. Alright guys, I'm just gonna peel the tape off. Too excited, I'm not gonna use scissors. I don't know, just cause. And then, oh my gosh, this is so exciting. I've wanted this for so long. And it's such a cool set to unbox and play with. I'm gonna do battles on this like right away. Maybe not in this video, but hopefully in a separate video. Alright. Oh my gosh. What? Okay, I'm gonna pull everything out because it's a little bit hard. There we go, guys. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna take everything out of its box. Okay, so first up, we've got the stadium. Oh my gosh, so we just put that up there. Probably not gonna do that for all my battles because, well, you know, I'm gonna have like maybe 3-way battles. Oh my gosh, look at how big that is. It kind of reminds me of the new Hypersphere ones. Alright, I'm gonna get the Beyblades and the parts. I'll show you the Beyblades first. Okay, let's get these out of here. Rescue you, Beyblade. Oh my gosh, look at this. So crazy. Oh, look at this. Wonderful. Oh my gosh, this is so good. The brand new variable. I love the look of this. Alright, I'm gonna pull these out. It's good how they make the plastic, like, not too tight so you can just pull it open and you don't have to, like, sit there anticipating for scissors. Oh, this is so cool. I love the designs on this. Okay, I'll showcase all the parts now. Alright, so first guys, we've got Variable. Variable is probably one of my favorite attack drivers, or performance dips, sorry Hasbro, and you can wear it down. So at the beginning, it's got less tips that come in contact with the stadium, so it won't move around as fast and it won't have as good as a grip. When you wear it down to the halfway mark, which is like right there, then it will go a little bit quicker and it has a little bit more grip so it can stand its ground. Once it goes all the way, it has super good grip. Well, actually, I don't know about the grip, but it goes really fast. Since it's the whole flat and it's not spiky like that, I don't know if it has a really good grip. Next, we've got Boost. I love the design of Boost. It looks like a chainsaw. This is a perfect attack disc or forge disc, and yeah. Next we've got Valtryek, which was actually the first dual layer Beyblade to come out, and this is a recolor of it. It's got white, like silver blades, and it's got all yellow on the wings. So let's put him together. Overall, this one looks sick. Look at how it moves. Yeah, that's the stock, like the original stock combo. So then we've got Press. Press is a pretty good defense tip, driver. Well, obviously it comes with King Kerbeus in the show. Sorry, you keep getting the two different brand names mixed up. This is, I forgot what it was called, but it's a good defense disc. I know that. I have like 3 of these now. Then we've got Kerbeus, like the best defense type to ever come out for the dual layer. There are a lot better ones out there now, of course, because Beyblade GT has been out for like a year. And oh yeah, I'll get you the QR codes if you would like it. Kerbeus. Valtryek. Wait, let's see if it'll do it now. I don't know if it'll read that. I'm just gonna hope. Oh, there you go. Okay. So, yeah, let's do the parts for the stadium. Okay, so here's our stadium. It's a little bit wobbly because we haven't added anything to it. But, yeah, let's get our parts out. Open. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. Okay there. Okay, so I dumped everything out. Let's take the Beyblade launchers out. Oh, if you haven't noticed, I'm wearing my pajamas. There we go. And there we go. So we've got our 2 launchers there. They come with the stadium and stuff. Alright, let's put these to the side. Wow, don't these look cool? This is where the sword's gonna be. Look at that. And then you can do the claw as well. Cool, huh? So, yeah, let's open this bag and I'll try and do this stuff. Okay, it's gonna be a little bit hard. Okay, so, got all the pieces. Oh, these look cool. It looks like they go on the sword. Hey, speaking of sword, you want your QR codes? If you didn't know, the Beyblade QR codes are for the Beyblade Burst app. That should have been on there. And if you don't have the Beyblade Burst app, it's by Hasbro, and you scan QR codes of your Hasbro Beyblades, and yeah, you get them, like, in the game. And you can customize and all sorts of stuff like that. Okay, I'm gonna put this together. Let's actually read the instructions. And that's on there. And here we go. That one fits. Man, these are nice. And we've got this, and we've got this. Yes, and that goes in there. Well, actually, I kind of read the instructions. And let's put that there. There we go. It looks sick. Just gonna... Ah, that's nice. Let's push it in there. Make sure it fits. And there's Valtteri X. Then let's get that one in there. Then there's Kubeus. And they fully work. Not that that was a surprise. Okay, now let's keep them in permanently. Okay guys, this part is actually interesting. So you line up these lines on this cup with these, I don't know, like ridges on this. And just fit it over. No! No, okay, that's not the right way to use that. Do it the right way. Don't do it like I just did. And you do that. You push it down. Somehow without... Yeah, I'll figure a way. Alright. Let's put that in there. Guys, it looks like we're finally done. Well, we're not actually completely done. We could, so we've got these stands on here. We could have added the shield on the top and stuff. We're not going to do that. We're going to go straight into test spins. Let's go. Alright, let's do this. First, we've got Kubeus. Something press. Oh my gosh, I love putting it on a new launcher like that. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let it. Ooh, that was nice. That was nice. Look at how nice that looks. I love the silver around the outsides. Oh, then of course, to test this. Wait, no, I shouldn't be attacking myself, but who cares? No, I missed. Oh, that was a direct hit. That was so cool. Alright, now let's do our Valtteri. See what it does. I expected that. Wait, let's attack it with the Kubeus block. No. Oh, it was funny. Just be like, ah. Wait, I'm gonna try and kill it again with the Kubeus claw. No, miss. I'm actually tilting the stadium. I kind of cheated. I'll hit you myself. Oh, no, father. Oh my gosh, guys. It was so fun to do an unboxing on this. I'll put the shield on some battles, probably, just so you can see what it looks like. But overall, guys, that is the end of our first day of Christmas. Tomorrow there will be another unboxing. And, yeah, see you then. We wish you a Merry Christmas.